Number 1 in our list is Assassin's Creed 2. Assassin's Creed is a well known and famous game. We all have heard its name earlier by someone. So it's one of the most famous part of Assassin's Creed series, Assassin's Creed 2. It can run on almost any PC with low-end specs of Intel dual-core or AMD Athlon. The RAM requirement is also very less and it can be afforded by anyone in normal PC. The RAM requirement is 2 to 4 GB depending upon the Windows. The storage required to run this game is also 9 GB of storage, and you can run this game on any Windows model. For example, you can run it on Windows XP also, Windows Vista also, Windows 7, Windows 10, so you can run it on your favorite Windows. Moving to our next game, which is Assassin's Creed Brotherhood, which is the next part of Assassin's Creed 2. It is a very nice game with a decent graphics and low specs. The story of game is very interesting and good. Moving to the specs required is again Intel dual core 2 and RAM required is 2 to 4 GB. Storage required is 8 GB and you do not need any external graphic cards for it. Next game in our list is Assassin's Creed Revelations. It is also the next part of Assassin's Creed Brotherhood, which provide a very good gameplay and graphics as compared to Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. It has more even and realistic story of game which makes it interesting for its players. Specs required is also again Intel dual core AMD Athlon. RAM required to run this game is 2 GB for Windows 7 and 4 GB for Windows 10. You cannot run it on Windows Vista or Windows XP. The storage required is 12 GB and you do not need any external graphic card. Moving to our next game, which is a very famous game, and the game name is Far Cry 2004. Yes, Far Cry is a very popular game series and you can play this game on your PC without any problem. This game connects us with nature as the story is set up in jungle or place like that. So specs required to run this game with Intel Pentium 4 or AMD Athlon XP. The RAM required is 1 GB and the storage required for this game is 4 GB. You can run this game in any of the Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7 or Windows 10. In order to run it on Windows 7 or Windows 10, the RAM needs to be a little bit higher and that is 2 to 4 GB. So keep in mind that the specs I'm telling you in this video is the minimum specs. If you have a spec slightly higher than this, then the performance of the game will be much better and experience would be better. Our next game is Far Cry 2, which is obviously the next part of Far Cry. This game is very good and has pretty decent graphics as compared to the specs required to run this game, which is Intel Pentium 4 or AMD Athlon. The RAM needed to run this game is 2 GB. Storage required is 12 GB. And it can be run on any Windows operating system, Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows 7 and Windows 10. In Windows 10 or 7, you need a little bit of higher RAM of 4 GB. No graphic card is required. This game has a very good story. A story of this game is one of my favorite. The next game is Far Cry 3. This is the third part of Far Cry series and it was the most played game of its time. The game is not very old, but the graphics are very good and it can run on almost any PC. The story of this game is based on a person who came to enjoy his holidays on a beach but got kidnapped by some bad people in the jungle. The story is very interesting. Specs required to run this game is Intel Core Dual and the RAM requirement is 2 to 4 GB. Storage required is 15 GB and operating system is any. You can run this game on Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows 10 or Windows 7. And as I have told you earlier, for Windows 10 or 7, your RAM needs to be slightly higher, that is 4 GB. Moving to our very next game, which is Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. This is one of my favorite games with a very good graphics and the specs required is also very less. The story is based on a soldier who is fighting against the terrorists in his region. The specs required to run this game is Intel Core Dual or AMD Phenom. The RAM requirement for this game is 2 to 4 GB. Storage required is 16 GB. You can run this game on Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7 or 10. On Windows 7 or 10 you need 4 GB of RAM. for the smooth gameplay. The system requirements that I'm telling you is a minimum system requirements, and it is recommended if you have a slightly higher configuration than the game would be. Our next game in the list is Left 4 Dead 2. This game is a kind of a horror game which is set up in a very deserted place. The specs required to run this game is Intel Pentium 4 or similar AMD. RAM requirement is 2 GB, storage required is 13 GB, and the Windows required is any Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7 or Windows 10. You do not need any external graphic card. Moreover, you can run this game on Windows 7 or Windows 10 with 2 GB of RAM only. So you do not need to increase your RAM if you have a Windows 10 computer or Windows 7 PC. This is one of my favorite games, and coming to our next game, which is Counter-Strike Global Offensive. This is a very common game and we must all have heard of this game. Counter-Strike is a very old game, but its new updated version is very nice. This game has a very good graphic ratings and this game can be played online. Moreover, this game is free of cost. The specs to run this game is Intel i3, 3rd generation or AMD Radeon or similar chipset. RAM requirement is 3 GB. Storage required is 15 GB, and you can run this game on Windows XP, Windows Vista or Windows 7 or Windows 10. In order to run this game on Windows 7 or Windows 10, the RAM of 4 GB is recommended. The last but not the least game in our list is Battlefield 3. This is my favorite game. The graphics of this game is very good if you have a decent PC. But however, this game can be easily run on any PC with lower specs, and the specs required to run this game is Intel dual core and RAM required is 2 GB. The storage required to run this game is 20 GB. Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 10 it can run on any Windows operating system. But for Windows 7 and Windows 10 you required a RAM of around 4 GB, and I am running it on Windows 10 with a RAM of 8 GB, and this game is very nice. I love this game very much. So that's all for today. Make sure you give a thumbs up and like our video and share it with your friends. See ya.